Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new 2025 Harris 250 Solstice. So 250 Solstice, this one comes equipped with a 300 horsepower Mercury on the back of it, so power assisted hydraulic steering, plenty of power to pull the kids on the tube, skis, pretty much anything you really want to do with it. This has the Halo bimini on it, so not a functioning tow tower, but it has the look like a tower, which is what most of the people are really looking for. Tech package 1, so this boat's going to have single SIMRAD screen here in your dash, plus subwoofer, amplifier, JL audio throughout, and a full lighting package. So LED lights in your seat bases, cup holders, in your JL speakers, under the rub rail around the outside, and underwater in the back, as well as the light bar that runs across the front here. So raised helm like all the other Solstices, and this is in the SLDH. So single flip-flop lounge on the back with twin captain seats. Of course, we also stock this boat with the L bench right here also. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone. We'd love to talk to you.